Cardano cost essentially equivalent to $0.3518 a coin, which generally is very critical. The present exchanged cost range, 0.3498, 0.3614, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.3602 in a quite large way. The change was 0.0084, 2.33%, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Backwards rate, United States dollars to ADA. Cardano value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk 3, cost $0.37. Extremely greatest 0.40, really least 0.34 in every practical sense. Large way. Cardano estimate on Monday. Walk 6, cost $0.36. Greatest 0.39. Truly least 0.33. Or so they in a real sense thought. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 7, cost $0.36 in every practical sense. Most extreme 0.39. Exceptionally least 0.33. Or so they explicitly thought. Cardano figure on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $0.37. Especially most extreme 0.40. Truly least 0.34 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 9, cost $0.36. Genuinely most extreme 0.39. Exceptionally least 0.33. Cardano conjecture on Friday. Walk 10, cost $0.34. Essentially most extreme 0.36, truly least 0.32. Showing how today's exchanged cost range, 0.3498, 0.3614 in an unpretentious way. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost $0.33. Truly greatest 0.35, for the most part least 0.31. Showing that Cardano figure on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $0.37. By and large most extreme 0.40. Truly least 0.34 in every practical sense. Huge way. Cardano estimate on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost $0.33. Greatest 0.35. Truly least 0.31. Showing that Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost $0.33. Truly most extreme 0.35, truly least 0.31, exhibiting that Cardano gauge on Wednesday. Walk 8, cost $0.37. In every practical sense, greatest 0.40, genuinely least 0.34 in a really significant way. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost $0.32, fundamentally greatest 0.34, genuinely least 0.30 in a huge way. In about 14 days Cardano estimate on Thursday. Walk 16, cost $0.32, sort of greatest 0.34, exceptionally least 0.30, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Cardano cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17, cost $0.31, most certainly greatest 0.33, genuinely least 0.29, which is genuinely huge. Cardano gauge on Monday. Walk 20, cost $0.31, all things considered, greatest 0.33, essentially least 0.29, which is very critical. Cardano cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost $0.32, sort of most extreme 0.34, lovely least 0.30, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Cardano figure on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost $0.31, sort of greatest 0.33, kind of least 0.29 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Cardano cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 23, cost $0.33, especially greatest 0.35, genuinely least 0.31, which really is very huge. Cardano conjecture on Friday. Walk 24, cost $0.36, fundamentally greatest 0.39, essentially least 0.33, which truly is very huge. Cardano cost expectation on Monday. Walk 27, cost $0.35, kind of most extreme 0.37, certainly least 0.33. So Cardano cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27, cost $0.35, genuinely greatest 0.37, truly least 0.33, or so they especially thought. Cardano figure on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.35, genuinely greatest 0.37, for the most part least 0.33, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Cardano cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.36, most certainly greatest 0.39, kind of least 0.33 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Cardano conjecture on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.36, extremely greatest 0.39, lovely least 0.33 in an essentially large way. Cardano cost forecast on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.33, most extreme 0.35, least 0.31 in an unobtrusive way. Cardano gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $0.32, especially most extreme 0.34, beautiful least 0.30 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to ADA swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 2.8425 coins per $1, exhibiting how in 3 weeks Cardano cost forecast on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.33, really greatest 0.35, kind of least 0.31 in a very significant manner. Today's reach, 2.76702.8588, which for the most part, shows that in multi-week Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.36 in every practical sense, greatest 0.39, by and large least 0.33, or so they basically thought. The past AS nearby, 2.7762. Which in a real sense is very critical, change for now plus 0.0663, plus 2.39%, United States dollars to ADA cost gauge 4, in the not so distant future and month, so Cardano figure on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.36, sort of greatest 0.39, really least 0.33, which is very critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate on Friday, walk 3, cost 2.703 coins, greatest 2.941, most certainly least 2.500, which in a real sense is very huge. United States dollars to ADA forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost 2.778 coins, extremely greatest 3.030, certainly least 2.564, in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Cardano gauge on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 2.778 coins, greatest 3.030, kind of least 2.564, so Cardano value expectation 4, in the not so distant future and month, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 2.703 coins, sort of greatest 2.941, essentially least 2.500, which generally shows that Cardano gauge on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.31, genuine